Subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all notification.
Hello students, now let's discuss about the next type of cells or formed element, which is WBC. So WBCs are also known as leukocytes. WBCs को हम leukocytes भी बोलते हैं. So they are known as leukocytes. These WBCs or leukocytes, they do not have any color because they don't have any pigment. So they are without pigment. As the comparison of the RBCs, we know that RBCs are the red in the color. It's because of the presence of pigment, hemoglobin. Here no pigment is present, that's why no color. So these are without pigment. Pigment present नहीं है WBCs के अंदर. साइज की अगर हम बात करते हैं WBCs, the size of the WBCs are larger than the RBCs. RBCs के कंपैरिजन में WBC का साइज जो होता है वो बड़ा होता है. The size ranges from 8 to 20 micron. The size ranges from 8 to 20 micron, which is very much larger than the RBCs. RBCs में हमने साइज देखा था, RBC का जो साइज होता है वो 7 to 8 micron तक का रहता है, but this is 8 to 20 micron, which is bigger than the RBCs. So this is about the size. If we talk about the number of WBCs, WBC का जो number है, it ranges from 6,000 to 8,000 per cubic meter. This is the range of the number of the WBCs. WBC की जो numbers होते हैं वो इस range में रहते हैं, जबकि RBCs में हमने देखा था that they ranges from 4.5 to 5 million per cubic meter. That is the ranges of the RBCs. तो RBCs के comparison में जो WBCs के numbers होते हैं वो बहुत ही कम होते हैं. They are very less in comparison to RBCs. If you find out the ratio of WBCs and RBCs, दोनों का अगर हम रेशियो निकाल के अगर हम देखते हैं तो RBCs और WBC का रेशियो हमें मिलता है almost it's 600:1. So as comparison to 1 WBC, the 600 RBCs are found into the blood. So this is a comparison in the reference of the number of the WBCs. The number of WBCs are very less as compared to RBCs. ये बात हुई नंबर की. अगर हम बात करें शेप्स की, शेप ऑफ WBCs, जैसे कि हमने देखा RBCs की एक पर्टिकुलर शेप है, दे आर वाइट कॉन्केव और डिस्क लाइक, बट द WBCs हैज द राउंडेड और इरेगुलर शेप एज दे हैव डिफरेंट टाइप्स. हम अभी टाइप्स भी देखेंगे आगे के वीडियो के अभी कुछ टाइम के बाद कि WBCs को डिफरेंट टाइप्स में भी डिवाइड किया गया है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द डिफरेंट टाइप्स दे हैव डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ शेप्स आल्सो. सो दे कुड बी द राउंडेड शेप और दे कुड बी द इरेगुलर शेप. राउंडेड और इरेगुलर शेप इनकी हो सकती है. न्यूक्लियस की अगर हम बात करें, न्यूक्लियस इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन टू these WBCs, so they are nucleated. These are nucleated. RBCs, as we know that the young RBCs has the nucleus, but when the RBCs become mature, they do not have the cell organelles, they do not have the nucleus. But in the case of the WBCs, they have nucleus throughout their life. पूरी लाइफ तक न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट रहता है. That's why the WBCs are the nucleated cells. सो न्यूक्लिएटेड है, इनमें न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट है. और ये जो न्यूक्लियस होता है WBCs का, ये बहुत डिफरेंट शेप का होता है. न्यूक्लियस न्यूक्लिएटेड है बट न्यूक्लियस इज ऑफ डिफरेंट शेप. डिफरेंट शेप्स आर प्रेजेंट. डिफरेंट शेप और डिफरेंट टाइप्स में, या हम बोल सकते हैं डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स में न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट है WBCs के अंदर. बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस, दीज ल्यूकोसाइट्स और दीज WBCs, दे आर नॉन एज polymorpholeukocytes. Polymorphonuclear leukocytes. We can write N also. Polymorphonuclear leukocyte. So this is the another name which we can use for the leukocytes. Poly means different or many. Morpho means forms, and the nucleus is related with the nucleus, and the leukocyte is WBCs. So they have different forms of the nucleus. That's why they are known as polymorphonuclear leukocytes. In short, we can write it PMNL, or another abbreviations can be used. That is the PML, polymorpholeukocytes, or it can be written as an PNL. So any kind of abbreviation can be used, but in short, we can say that they have different shapes of the nucleus. That's why they are known as polymorphonuclear leukocytes. ओके, ये हो गई बात. वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ पिगमेंट. नो पिगमेंट इज प्रेजेंट. साइज हमने डिस्कस कर लिया, नंबर्स हमने डिस्कस कर लिए, शेप और न्यूक्लियस की प्रेजेंस के बारे में भी हम पढ़ चुके हैं. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द लाइफ स्पैन. लाइफ स्पैन अगर हम देखते हैं आरबीसीज के केसेस में हमने देखा था दैट आरबीसीज हैज 120 days of lifespan. In comparison to RBCs, the WBCs has very short lifespan. Their life is just for the few days. और किसी किसी में कुछ ज्यादा भी होता है, but generally they have shorter lifespan and it ranges from the few days. This is lifespan. Site of production अगर बात की जाए, site of production. WBCs can be formed on different sites. Like they can be produced into the red bone marrow or they can be produced onto the different lymphoid organs. Lymphoid organs जो कि हमारे lymphatic system का part होते हैं ना, जहाँ different organs present है, like spleen हो गया, tonsils, etc. These lymphoid organs also is this working as a site of the production of these WBCs or the leukocyte. So site of production, we can say that it can be produced at the red bone marrow, in the red bone marrow, or it can be formed into the lymphoid organs. Lymphoid organs में भी इनका प्रोडक्शन हो सकता है. ओके, ये हो गई बात प्रोडक्शन को लेके. अगर हम ल्यूकोसाइट्स की बात करते हैं इनके नंबर को लेके, जैसा हमने यहाँ पे देखा दैट रेंजेस इज 6000 to 8000. दिस नंबर ऑफ द WBCs और नंबर ऑफ द ल्यूकोसाइट्स इज कंसिडर्ड एज द TLC. इसे कहा जाता है TLC, टोटल ल्यूकोसाइट काउंट. This TLC or total leukocyte count. This TLC or the number of these leukocytes, it can be increased or it can be decreased. ये increase भी हो सकता है, decrease भी हो सकता है. The increase in the TLC, if the TLC number increases due to any infection, किसी भी infection के reason से अगर cells के अंदर WBCs का numbers increase हो जाता है, this increased number of the leukocytes is known as leukocytosis. Let me write it here. It's leukocytosis. And the decrease in the number of the TLC, if the TLC number get decreased, इनमें अगर number down हो जाता है, decrease हो जाता है, this is the increased TLC. If TLC is caused down, this is known as leukopenia. Leukopenia is that if number of TLC gets decreased, then it is considered leukopenia. If number of TLC increase, number of the WBCs increase into the blood due to any infectious condition, then it is known as leukocytosis. And the process of the production of the leukocytes is known as leukopoiesis. इसे और लिख देते हैं कि हम नहीं लिखा है. The site of production is the red bone marrow and the process is known as leukopoiesis. Is the process of the formation of WBCs is leukopoiesis. So leukopoiesis हो गया is the process of the formation of the WBCs. Leukocytosis is the number increasing in the number of the WBCs, and the leukopenia is the condition where the number of WBCs decreased into the blood. So ये कुछ important terms हमने यहाँ पे देख लिए हैं. Now let's discuss about the different types of the WBCs on the basis of the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm, if the cytoplasm has a granular structure, so granular cytoplasm is present or not, on this basis these leukocytes are divided into the two categories, that is granulocytes and agranulocytes. So let's discuss about the types of these leukocytes in more detail. Types of leukocytes. Leukocytes are divided into the two groups, granulocytes and agranulocytes. This comparison or this division is done on the basis of the presence of granules into the cytoplasm. So granulocytes are the cells which have granules in the cytoplasm. तो यहाँ पे जो नाम है उसी से पता चल रहा है कि यहाँ पे granules present होंगे. They have granules in cytoplasm. That's why they are known as granulocytes. Whereas in the agranulocytes, the cytoplasm is clear. Cytoplasm is clear. It's without granules. Cytoplasm is clear. It's cytoplasm is clear because they do not have any kinds of granules. That's why they are known as granulocytes, whereas they have granules. These granulocytes are further divided into the three categories on the basis of their staining property. किस तरीके से ये स्टेन होते हैं उस प्रॉपर्टी के बेसिस पे ग्रेनुलोसाइट्स को फिर हम आगे डिवाइड करते हैं थ्री कैटेगरी के अंदर. द फर्स्ट वन इज नॉन एज एसिडोफिल्स. Acidophils, which has the ability to stain with the acidic dye. That's why they are known as acidophils. Second is the basophils. Basophils are the WBCs or the leukocytes which can stain with the basic dye, and the third one is the neutrophils. They can stain with the neutral dye. That's why it is known as neutrophils. So, on the basis of their staining property, these granulocytes are divided into the three categories: acidophils, basophils, neutrophils. Acidophils are the cells which can stain with the acidic dye like eosin. Eosin जो basic dye, acidic dye होती है, उससे stain होता है. That's why these cells are also known as eosinophils. इन्हें eosinophils भी कहते हैं. They are known as eosinophils. Second is the basophils, which can be stained with the basic dye, and the neutrophils are the cells which can be stained with the neutral dyes. So these are the three types of the granulocytes. Now let's come on to the agranulocytes. Agranulocyte जैसा नाम में हमने देखा कि साइटोप्लाज्म क्लियर है, किसी भी तरीके के ग्रेन्यूल्स प्रेजेंट नहीं है. These granulocytes are further divided into the two types. दो टाइप्स में इन्हें डिवाइड किया गया. The first one is the lymphocytes. First is the lymphocytes and second one is the monocytes. These two are the types of granulocytes. Lymphocytes are further divided into the two categories, that is the B lymphocytes and the T lymphocyte. B lymphocyte or T lymphocytes. These B and T lymphocytes, these are involved into the antibody production, and it is responsible to provide the cell mediated immunity. Antibody production होता है. B cells they further form the antibody against any antigens, and T lymphocytes they help to the B lymphocytes for the antibody production. So that's why they are related with the immunity and related with the immune system. Whereas the monocytes are the another type of granulocytes. We will discuss about the all these cells, these 5 type of cells. We can say that on the comparison, अगर हम पूरा comparison देखें तो there are the 5 types of WBCs. 5 टाइप की हमें WBCs या ल्यूकोसाइट मिल रही है: एसिडोफिल्स, बेसोफिल्स, न्यूट्रोफिल्स, lymphocytes and monocytes. All these 5 types of cells, we will study about all these in a comparative manner, ताकि हम आसानी से इन सबके functions, sizes, shapes, everything जो भी चीजें हमें इनके बारे में स्टडी करनी है वो हम एक टेबुलर फॉर्म में, एक कंपैरेटिव स्टडी के रूप में फॉर्म में ही स्टडी करेंगे. Now let's see the comparative study of all the type of WBCs. All 5 type of WBCs are written here, and let's see on which basis we are studying these WBCs. First, let's try to understand on the basis of their shape of the nucleus. जैसे कि हमने पहले भी बोला कि न्यूक्लियस की जो शेप होती है वो डिफरेंट होती है. Like acidophils has the bilobed nucleus. As you can see in the diagram, the nucleus is the bilobed in the case of acidophils or eosinophils. Whereas in the case of basophils, the nucleus is the H-shaped nucleus. H-shaped nucleus हमें दिखाई दे रहा है. Neutrophils has the multi-lobed nucleus. Nucleus is the multi-lobed, and in the case of monocytes, it has kidney-shaped like structure. And lymphocytes, they have rounded nucleus. So on the basis of these diagrams or these pictures, I think you have clear idea about the structure of nucleus or the shape of the nucleus in these WBCs. तो ये हमने nucleus की बात की है. अब अगर हम इनके नंबर्स को लेके भी अगर बात करें कि कौन सी सेल कितने अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट होती है, तो द न्यूट्रोफिल्स आर द सेल्स व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट इन द हाईएस्ट अमाउंट. मोस्ट अबंडेंट सेल जो होती हैं, दीज आर द न्यूट्रोफिल्स व्हिच आर फाउंड इनटू द ब्लड्स, वेयर इज द बेसोफिल्स आर प्रेजेंट इन अ वेरी लेस अमाउंट. सबसे कम अमाउंट में बेसोफिल्स प्रेजेंट होंगी. The lifespan of these acidophils is the 14 hours. It's near about the 14 hours of the lifespan of acidophils. 8 to 12 hours lifespan of the basophils, whereas the neutrophils has 10 to 12 hours का lifespan होगा, जबकि मोनोसाइट्स में भी 10 to 20 hours का lifespan देखने को मिलता है. But lymphocytes, they can survive for many months to many years. इनका बहुत लंबा lifespan होता है lymphocytes का. उसके बाद फॉर्मेशन की अगर हम बात करें, दैट व्हाट इज द साइट वेयर these WBCs are formed, where these leukocytes are formed. So these acidophils, basophils and neutrophils, all these three kinds of the WBCs, they are formed into the red bone marrow. Red bone marrow is the site of the formation of these WBCs. Whereas these monocytes and the lymphocytes, they are formed at some another sites, like they are formed into the lymphoid organs like spleen and the lymph nodes. Monocytes are formed into the spleen and the lymph nodes, whereas the lymphocytes can be formed into the thymus or another lymph nodes. So this is the site of formation. Now let's talk about the functions of these lymphocytes. The acidophils, they work against the allergic conditions. They are anti-allergic. जब भी allergic conditions होती हैं उस time पे acidophils का secretion increase होगा, the number increase होगा, so they work as an anti-allergic cells. Whereas the basophils are the cells which secretes histamine and heparin. Histamine और heparin and serotonin also, इनके secretion में help करती हैं basophils. Whereas the neutrophils and the monocytes, neutrophils और monocytes दोनों ही जो होती हैं, they are phagocytic in the nature. Whenever any pathogens or any foreign materials come inside these cells, then these cells, they goes there and they capture and destroy it or kill it. So एक तरीके से protection देने का काम कर रही, the main function जो provide कर रही, that is the neutrophils and monocytes. They are phagocytic in the nature, and the process is the phagocytosis. So they are doing phagocytosis. Whereas the lymphocytes are the cells which are responsible for the formation of antibodies. Antibodies जो बनती हैं, they are formed from the lymphocytes. B and the T lymphocytes, both type of lymphocytes we have studied. B lymphocytes directly form the antibodies, whereas T lymphocytes, they help the B lymphocytes to make the antibodies. So that's all about the comparative study of all the types of the WBCs. In the next video, we will discuss about the next type of formed element, or next part of this topic, that is the platelets. So keep watching, keep studying.